Hello and welcome to DaveTech. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the Roblox application to your Android TV, TV box, or Google TV. If you find this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more content, and this method will be extremely easy. Now we'll be using the browser. In my particular case, I'm using the Google browser. Any browser you use will be alright. It just needs to be running on an Android operating system. So get into your browser and search the name of the application. We are trying to download the Roblox application. Roblox is spelled ROBLOX. Search for the application and you're going to see a plethora of results. This one is on roblox.com, for instance, and you see Roblox from play.google.com. Favor this option and get into it. So on googleplay.com, open the Roblox application. Now, if this is your first time, you're going to need to log into Google. Immediately after logging into Google, you can easily hit the install button. In my case, you see play, and you have this application downloaded onto your Android TV, TV box, or Google TV. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.